Welcome, today in front of me TCL TAB Max, and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first we should open the settings and then tap here on the sound section. Now we can see here the notification volume panel, and just to change notification sound we should go here to default notification ringtone. Now we have selected this glow, and just to change it you should select one from these available sounds here. For example, I'll go with this one. To save it, just click here to OK, and now here we can see that we just successfully changed notification ringtone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.